I think the best thing to do here is kind of just take a step back. Just look at, okay, so what's been done to the car? So first of all, we have no clue what we're doing at all. We just make this stuff up as we go. So it's a 2010 5th gen Camaro. Stock bottom end. We've done nothing to bottom end of the motor. We just got fuel system in. Fore Innovations level 4, triple pump fuel system. F1A 94 coming. We're gonna go on E85. We got flex fuel sensor. PTFE lines. Rear suspension that never went in that we got like a year ago.
Fuck! 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 Oh!
Guess one's trying to shift some gears. Trying to bang some gears, so shitter.
You can see the old fuel pump here. I don't really know what that does, but
Fuel pump? Boy.
so catch this. This is gonna be. So here goes. It goes. What's a goal? We're calling it out now, early on.
Go for what time?
Cannel. Yeah, time. We're gonna call it now. We're gonna call it now.
Well, if you do a real good driver mod.
No driver mod.
No driver mod?
Yeah, stock driver. Huh?
9.5?
In the quarter? 10.5. 10.5 by the end of the season.
Different wheel? No.
Is it a cutoff wheel? Is it thick? Thank you. Well, that pickup should come all the way up. We should be able to get it all the way up here. As long as the float comes up, yep. Yeah, we can leave that on for now. I think that has to do something with the, it's a dub in my boat. You have a, I mean, it's just really not uncomfortable, like, to ride on.
Well, if you add the seat height and then your next to that 90 degree.
No, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like, we should probably just stop all the mods, cancel everything, and just, this will be the mod.
Yeah?
Yeah, 4-seater.
You have like 10-foot pedals.
It could add on to the steering wheel. Get a really long rack and pinion, and then set a. Yeah, I like that from right here.
Fucking shit, dude. All right, boss, what's happening?
First of all, we forgot to set the GoPro up, so after this, I'm gonna charge it and set up the GoPro.
Yeah.
Try to capture some of this on camera.
Oh, 20%. What are you currently doing?
Well, right now we got the old fuel pump ripped out. We got the new Fore Innovations triple pump module here with the TI Automotive 274s, 3 of them. Bought it like this, had everything already sent through the hat. That looks really good, actually. Holy crap, that looks really good. So right now we got the fuel level sender moved over to the new pump off the old one. And we just gotta, oh, they already come with connectors on it. What the heck? That's nice. We just gotta cut the old wires off the sending unit. Put them on the new. Put them on the new pump. Tough.
Unboxing the blower today. So, let's just get into it, dude. Oh, this kind of showed up. Big old box. Big old box.
Kind of blower.
This is the F1A 94. That's it, F1A 94. Nice.
Let's go over to meat and potatoes. Sheesh. Look at that sexy boy.
Polish looks good.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rib. It's a big papa.
There's a big boy.
Sheesh. Bigger than your head.
It's the only reason I bought it. God dang! Oh, we got some stuff in some of this, so don't, if you buy one of these, don't just throw it all.
Alright, what's next?
Well, really, the only other cool part to this thing is the intercooler. Everything else is so lame.
Get yourself a nice little air filter.
If we can find the intercooler out.
I think it's under there.
So, a whole bunch of boots and fittings. This is definitely the intercooler. These are PhDs, I'm not opening this thing. Dang. That would definitely just slam it as hard as you can. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It's a little bit of a slag or scratch or glue or something.
The white stuff?
I don't know. It looks burnt here too to me.
It does look brown.
Yeah.